This tutorial shows you how to add subtitles to a video by creating a social video project from a subtitle project list. This is one of the ways to add subtitles if you want to use a brand new canvas. Firstly, you should be on the project screen. Under the Subtitles tab, you will notice all of the subtitle projects that are available. Select the project by tapping on the three dots of that project, and then tapping on the Create Social Video option. This will open up a canvas screen where you can see all of the stuff like aspect ratios. In this case, I'll be selecting one by one. This will open up a brand new project with the video and subtitles present. You can position the video in center and then tap on the subtitles box where you can view the subtitles present. Once you're satisfied with all of the subtitles and the editing and customizability, you can tap on the bottom right checkmark to view the export screen, where you can view all of the subtitles and the video. Once you're satisfied, you can export, where the subtitles will be burned into the video.